Demonstrative adjectives in Italian are words that point out specific things or people. In English, these are this, these, referring to something close, and that, those, referring to something far. In Italian, such words must agree in gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural, with the noun they modify, and they always go before it. Generally, Italian has two main demonstrative systems, as you can see in this chart. Questo, questa, questi, queste. Quello, quella, quelli, quelle. When using demonstratives, the adjective must agree in gender and number, such as saying questa casa, questi libri. But it's important to understand the concept of distance when using such words. Questo means this, referring to something close or something happening now. Some examples are: questo libro è interessante. Queste scarpe sono nuove. In questo momento. On the other hand, quello means that, referring to something further away. An example can be quella casa è vecchia. Moreover, it's important to mention that quello behaves like a definite article, so it can change form like il, lo, la, I, li, le. The system of how to modify articles is something I showed when I explained gender, articles, and pluralization in Italian, so I highly recommend watching that video to understand this idea. Although it looks like a lot of information, knowing noun types and articles is what matters most. After some practice, you will understand how quello is affected and when to use it. At the same time, the demonstrative questo can also contract, but it does so more simply. Questo will change to quest before vowels, and it applies to both genders, like saying quest'amico, quest'idea. However, plural forms do not contract, so we keep them as they are. Questi amici, queste idee. At last, you should know that sometimes in regional and advanced Italian you may see codesto, meaning near you. However, it's rare, mostly Tuscan, and often sounds formal and literary. For this lesson, I will not explain it, because native speakers mainly use questo and quello, but it's something interesting to know. Overall, this is how demonstrative adjectives fully work in Italian. They agree with the noun and are always placed before it.